vlog of these here. Hang them up. No workout. This one I've picked it shaving sticks. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog. Good morning. Today I'm starting off a new vlog. Today happens to be a Sunday. Yes, currently I believe it's around 8-9ish in the morning. Hopefully that you are fine, hopefully that you are amazing and all that other shebang. I want to first of all thank you for all the amazing love and support on all my recent vlogs, all my recent videos. I want to do a quick unboxing. Some packages actually have already passed through. So let me first of all tell you the packages I've passed through. This came from Jumia. Yes, this came from Jumia. I ordered this sometime back. It was a phone case for this iPhone XR going on over here. So this is the real protector of the lens. This one you see, I'm gonna be showing you how it looks in a bit. They came into over here. So the one I've already put it, and that is the green one. One of the recent vlogs I talked about how my black soap for cleansing my face was done. So I need to go and get out a new black soap. I got this from Chikubo. This is my new stand mirror, desk stand mirror going on over here. I love this color very absolutely much. But the middle part, yeah, I think this is the middle part of the mirror. It can't fit in the frame very well, but hopefully you can see it. It's a gorgeous, beautiful color. Hello guys, this is me once again, straight away from journaling and all that. Currently I want to do a simple workout, as you see going on over here. You guys, I'm finally done with my skincare routine. I'm finally done with my simple workout routine. Currently, I want to just dive into the shower, take a bath. But before that, I have some water measured or going on over here. I want to be watering these bad boys. I also have another plant in my bedroom. Okay, so hopefully guys there you can hear me very well. I know you are not seeing my face, but I'm having my breakfast going on over here. So I'm having cassava, like the raw boiled cassava with just water and salt. I have kachumbari, here we call it kachumbari. Some sliced tomato and some sliced onion, and I also have this groundnut soup going on over here. Oh, not forgetting, I also have a mug of porridge. Yes, porridge. This is maize porridge with milk. but anyway, you guys, I'm done with my breakfast. Currently I want to just go into my kitchen over here, wash the dishes because I don't want to keep any dirty dishes, whatever the case may be. Okay, so you guys, I'm finally done with doing my utensils. They are very few. It is just one plate, two tray, 2 cups, and one sauce-like plate, and some fork and spoon going on over there. So I'm going to first of all leave them here so that they can drain out water, so that I get a dry towel, mop them on. Then I put them in the respective cabinets going on over here. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Good evening once again, you guys. I last checked in with you. I don't know, was it around, I think it was around 1 or 2, somewhere there. But anyway, currently it's already night. Currently it's, I believe, something like 19 past 7 in the evening. I just took a nap. Today I've taken random naps. The first thing, I wouldn't record any video because the construction was going on. Second of all, around 3 in the evening, it rained heavily. The good thing, I had finished eating my lunch, and I just said, you know what, let me just go back into my bed. Before that, I have some things I want to be picking up real quick from the supermarket. Yeah. This is what I'm wearing. I've actually just changed the jacket to this green one, regardless of the fact that it is night. That jacket also doesn't look that amazing. You guys, can you hear the what? Those insects. Very, very much. When I entered into that supermarket, I was very intentional because I know myself that I end up spending money where I don't want to spend it. Tomorrow it's a Monday. I can go to Chico and pick up the body mists that I want to pick up. I want to pick up this body mist known as Bora Bora and one for raspberry from Esteria Passion. They are done and I love them very, very absolutely much. And I'm in that season of my, my time or my age where I feel like smelling good has to be very paramount, even before when it comes to how I look, But anyway, this is the Dabur Herbal Oral Protection I've picked out from the supermarket. And the main reason why actually I didn't pick out this is because my mom, I was talking to her about some days ago, and she told me that I should try this. This is my first time using it. And she knows that I have teeth problem. Most of the time my gums hurt, my teeth are paining and all that. So she told me that I should try this because it has been working for her. So this video is not sponsored in any way, but if you're interested, you can also, try out this and you see in case you have a tooth problem if it works for you. Then it comes with a free toothbrush going over here. So at least I'm not spending money again on upgrading my toothbrush this time around. I've also grabbed some snacks, gorillas going on over here. I also picked out a new fork. What I have is almost done. Please concentrate. The one I have is almost done. And the most amazing thing is that this one, I've picked it from a new location. I love using this. I believe they are aluminium free and they don't cloud in your armpit after taking a bath and all that. I recommend them a lot. I've talked about them in some of my recent vlogs. And I also did pick up these Gillette's shaving sticks going on over here. Let me show you how they do look like. This is how they do look like. They are the Gillette shaving sticks. So I would consider this shopping to be, some of that shopping that you do very, very intentional. Jagala shave and deodorant, and I'm out. But anyway, thank you very much, guys, for watching today's vlog. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. It was a very quick one, not very circulated because even I haven't traveled anywhere. I've been in my house, and all that. But hopefully you enjoy it because I also love it when I give you content. Let me know what you have thought of it. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.